Hello children, today's lesson is use of hydrometers. There are several types of hydrometers. We'll see that hydrometers. There are 6 types in your textbook. First one, Lactometer. Second one, alcohol meter. Alcohol meter. Third one, acid condition measuring hydrometer. Right, acid condition measuring hydrometer. Fourth one, soil hydrometer. Fifth one, sea water hydrometer. And sixth one, metrolab. Right. First one, lactometer, alcohol meter, acid condition measuring hydrometer, soil hydrometer, and sea water hydrometer, metrolab. That is, we'll see what are the hydrometers. Right. Lactometer. It is measure the density of the milk. You know, density of the milk slightly higher than the water. Right. Milk contain approximately 19% of the 90% of the water and the lipids and proteins. Then it is higher than the water. Right. Some people add some water to the milk. Then the density is change. Milk quality also getting change. Then measuring the density of milk, it make high quality milk. Right. That is the lactometer. It measure the density of milk. Right. Measure the density of milk. solution in the shops. Right. Some are wine and beer. They are also contain high percentage of water. Then amount of alcohol. It also change the density than the water. Then alcohol quality also change the density. Right. It is measured by alcohol meter, alcohol solution. That is alcoholic drinks. In alcoholic drinks. Right. Then third one, acid condition measuring hydrometer. You know, vehicles, there are lead acid battery. Then certain time, change of the battery, charges of the battery is gradually decrease. Then measure the density of that acid, nitric acid, measure the density, we can determine what is the charge of the battery, charge of the acid. Then use a hydrometer. It can be identified what is the charges. If it is charges lower or higher, we can measure by this hydrometers. Right. Then soil hydrometer. Soil hydrometer. In soil, they are also change the density. We take constant mass of soil, constant mass of soil and constant volume of water, and soil dissolved in the water. And using soil hydrometer, we can identify what is the density of the different soil samples. Right, that is soil hydrometer. Right. Then seawater hydrometer. Seawater hydrometer. You know, in salt water, density is higher than the fresh water. In different seas and oceans, the density of that sea water is changed. Right. Concentration, salt concentration also change. Then using seawater hydrometer, we can measure the density of that sea water. Right. Sixth one, metrolab. What is it? Measure the density in rubber latex. You know, rubber latex also that contain a certain amount of water. If they change the normal concentration, it can identify by using metrolab in rubber latex. Right. These are the use of hydrometers. Right. Lactometer, alcohol meter, acid condition measuring hydrometer, soil hydrometer, seawater hydrometer and metro lab. Right. Then we finish this lesson. We'll see what is the next lesson in next video. Right. Thank you.